Stop by and take a look at the 2007 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, one-touch windows. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.